Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with HelloSign, a Dropbox company. Review my usage experience. HelloSign, a Dropbox company. Review my usage experience offers a digital signature solution for individuals and businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline the process of signing and sending documents electronically, eliminating the need for printing, scanning, and mailing. Key features include e-signature capabilities, document management, and integration with other services. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features. HelloSign emphasizes ease of use and claims a seamless user experience. They highlight the security of their platform and its compliance with various industry regulations. Pricing transparency is a key selling point, with clear details on their website. Availability is global, with users accessing the service through a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using HelloSign. Getting started was incredibly easy. I signed up for a free trial within minutes, and the onboarding process was straightforward and intuitive. The interface is clean and well-organized, navigating through the different features was a breeze. I uploaded a contract, added the required fields for signatures and initialing, and sent it to my client. The whole process took less than 5 minutes. The email notifications kept me updated on the document status, and my client confirmed receiving and signing it within the hour. The speed and reliability were impressive. I had a quick question about integrating HelloSign with my CRM, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing a helpful and detailed solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated email reminders for pending signatures. One minor drawback was the slightly limited options for custom branding on the documents. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with HelloSign. It simplified my document workflow significantly and saved me considerable time and effort. That's my overview of HelloSign, a Dropbox company. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.